I wanted to make an announcement about the new updated version of Interactive Labs on the Pragmatic AI Labs platform. Some of the things that we were doing when we were building out the next version of our interactive learning experience is to think about how we can teach Rust better in particular. So, some of the things that we're doing with our interactive labs include letting people create their own projects with Cargo, also compile code, and also look at the code with Visual Studio in the browser. So you have a browser-based environment. You can open up Rust projects, write your own code, really treat it as a real-world type development environment. And we include all of the source code for the dozens and dozens of Rust courses that we have on the platform. So we think that in many ways, this is the top place that you can learn Rust, especially in terms of applied Rust. So, Rust for GUI development, Rust for serverless, Rust for data engineering, Rust for AI engineering, Rust for ML ops, Rust for command line tools, using Python and Rust together. All of these different courses are available on Pragmatic AI Labs, and we're building out and exposing these as interactive labs. So check it out on the platform. We're pretty excited about the potential there. So that's the Rust material, and we're going to continue to build more and more Rust material. I have a ton of new stuff coming out very soon, but I also want to talk about some of the emerging technologies that we cover as well, and how we're going to build out over the next few weeks or so hundreds and hundreds of labs that show some of the cutting edge technologies that are available in 2025. So including, local large language models using things like Ollama. Also, we get into Zig, how you can use Zig as a modern C-based replacement. Also, we get into WebSockets. We have some really cool stuff with WebSockets where we show you how to build your own terminals, how to build your own interactive data engineering dashboards that talk to SQLite. And then we also get into WebAssembly as well. And there's some really cool stuff you can do with WebAssembly, and you can compile it down to a interface that allows you to get that assembly type speed inside of the browser. So that's really the main takeaway in launching these interactive labs, is that besides just the fact that every week there's new content, new courses, we are also building out very cutting edge interactive labs. So check it out when you get a chance. Interactive labs are live on the Pragmatic AI Labs platform. Go to paiml.com and check it out and let us know what you think.